Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. And today's video is going to be all about this cheap and easy DIY closet that my husband and I put together. We were in desperate need for some more closet space just because the house that we bought doesn't have that much closet space for the amount of clothes that we have. We know we love budget-friendly alternatives around here. So for a cheap and easy alternative, we decided to go with this DIY closet system that is completely customizable to your space. All the different parts that we needed came up to about $200. So the first thing I want to start out actually is with these two bookcases. I almost have the exact same bookcases downstairs in the color black. I'll have like a snippet of the video that I did, as well as I'll link the video down in the description box where I created like this entertainment system with those bookcases, and I believe they were only $30 a piece, and you can get them from Target. Now Target at the time, because I wanted to buy those exact same ones, they didn't have it in the color white, and all my furniture up here is more so white than black. It's okay because Walmart had the exact same bookcases for a little bit more expensive. I think the ones at Target are $30 and the ones at Walmart are $50. The good thing about Walmart is that they also have fast shipping. So if you meet like I think the $30 threshold, a lot of that stuff was shipped the next day. So I went on Amazon and I found this completely customizable closet rack, and they're designed to actually go into a closet, but it works perfectly with the bookshelves, and you can kind of create and adjust it to your space. And when I tell you, it's such great quality, it's very sturdy, it's gonna hold up, and I absolutely love it. While I was waiting for it to come in, I definitely had to adjust my space because the wall that I was putting it on had my love seat. I had to really move everything around in the office, which was kind of a task in itself because I didn't know how I wanted to best organize the office. In order for me to have space for this closet, I need to rearrange my office. So there's a few things that I want to do, and I just want to walk through and kind of show you guys before I start organizing. And I also just want to show you like the before and after. Well, this couch area is where I record most of my YouTube videos at, and I'm gonna have to move it because this is the only wall that's gonna fit the closet that I want. This is a combination of Leah's clothes, my clothes. I used to have a clothing rack here. You guys may have seen it in some of my very old like try on hauls. So this is my desk, and whoever told me that I should buy a mirrored desk, because literally all you see is freaking smudges, and I have to wipe it down with Windex like 20 times a day. And I'm thinking about putting it over in this corner where I have the mini fridge. Yeah, so that was kind of just like a rough type of walkthrough of what I want to do. I had like a couple different variations in my setup. I kind of made like this cubicle type of situation. Here I'm just moving everything so I can start to figure out what setup I want to do. I started out with this cubicle type of layout, and I didn't like it at all. Kind of see I don't like this setup. I don't know why, it's just not giving, so we're gonna switch it up. For some reason I just wasn't really feeling it. It was giving too much of like you're actually going into an office with the cubicle setup, and I wanted to maintain like that open concept in my office. So that's why I decided to scrap that idea, and I ended up just putting my desk kind of like the middle of the floor a little bit, and I moved these cube organizers behind me so that way, you know, they're up on a wall. It's kind of like a good background or whatever. And I'm gonna switch out those decorations. I wasn't sure how I wanted to decorate it, so this is just temporarily. I like how it turned out. It does take up more space, but it just feels like an office. It feels like an actual office. Then I have a separate vanity, which if you're interested, I got that from Walmart as well, where I can do my makeup, my hair, and all those types of things over there. So I really like having that distinct space for the two different things, because at first my work desk was my vanity as well, and I don't know, it just kind of came cluttered and stuff. The closet system has arrived. So the closet is going on the back wall as I showed you guys. And this is kind of like a system that I just kind of put together on my own. Hopefully it works out. We'll see. We got to start by actually putting it together, which is the most frustrating part. But so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and you guys can just see me putting it together like in slow fast motion, so it won't take as long as it is for me for you guys to watch me put it together. The bookcases were actually super easy to put together. I was able to put these together myself in probably about 45 minutes. And a hack is to, if you have two of them, build them at the same time. So that way, you know, you can kind of like memorize the instructions from one and just hurry up and do the other one at the same time. It makes it go by much faster. So this centerpiece is from the closet system that I got off Amazon, and this piece was a little bit difficult to put together. So definitely don't screw anything down tight until the end, because to put those shelves in the middle, you definitely had to have the bolts loose a little bit. Here's my husband putting some holes, drilling some holes into the bookshelves, because we're going to anchor in the racks. We also anchored the bookshelves to the wall as well as the middle closet part, and they all come with their own mounting systems. And here is me at the end just tightening everything, because we couldn't tighten it until the end. I needed help anchoring it into the wall as well as putting anchors into the bookshelves, and that way this closet is not coming down, because I have, you know, my daughter. We need to make sure it's safe, and it's definitely mounted to the wall and it's not going anywhere. It's very, very secure. What is up, guys? As you can see, the closet is completely, well, not completely, but it's up. We have this middle rack up, and then we have these two shelves. I haven't put the shelving in on here yet, because I wasn't sure how we wanted to do it, because I did see this TikTok inspiration where they also use this top shelf for clothing too. I don't think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm just gonna have all shoes on here. But yeah, it is up. This closet took about 4 hours to put together all total. Both of these shelves are mounted to the wall, and this middle shelving is mounted to the wall. So one side is going to be Steven's and one side is going to be mine. So he gonna have to do his side, but I'm gonna go ahead and get my side together. So I'm just gonna start working on that today and over the next couple weeks until I have it all complete. So normally it would not take long at all to put these shelves together. However, I put them on upside down. But it was super easy just to flip them around once I realized, and these shelves are super great for putting your shoes on. So for the bottom rack, I just put all of my jeans and shorts and skirts, and for the top rack, I focused more on my summer and spring clothes, and I left my winter clothes in the closet in my bedroom. So I used to display all of my Crocs and slides on my cubicle system, but now I can place them perfectly on this shelf, and it's a great way to store these kind of shoes. So I really like having this middle section right here. Currently I just have some of my perfume and like jewelry and stuff on display, but eventually I would like to get some like cube organizer baskets to put in each one, so that's even more storage. Or you can leave it as display and just put some of like your just put some items you would like to display right here. It's completely up to you. But if you wanted to maximize on storage, you could definitely put some cubes in here as well. In my previous background, I would display like a lot of my Crocs and stuff on my cube organizer. So right now I just have all my Crocs and sandals out right here. I'm gonna probably keep my tennis shoes in my bedroom closet, but I have put like some of my sandals, and there is one pair of tennis shoes right here, but for the most part I'm gonna leave this space open for more shoes. And these little risers from the Dollar Tree, this one's a little bent, but yeah, these risers from the Dollar Tree are really cool because you're able to like stack shoes on top of each other like this. So that's another way to even get more storage space out of these bookshelves. Here is the closet when it's completely empty with nothing on it, and then I'm also going to show you how it looks when it has all of our crap on it. So here's all of our clothes. It fits everything so perfectly, and I absolutely love this system. It's great if you have an extra room in your house or just space for a place for you to put extra clothes. So I love it, and I hope you guys do too. I hope you guys really found this video helpful. Let me know if you try out this closet system. I really love it. I really recommend it. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. And leave me a comment down below. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification button so you will never miss one of my uploads. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.